Can you really copy a successful YouTube channel and replicate its earnings? The short answer is yes, but it's not as simple as a direct copy paste. We're diving into a case study called I Copied a YouTube Channel That Makes $100 per mo. It worked. To break it down. Alex Hermosi, known as 3 Blue 1 Brown, began his YouTube journey in 2015. He initially mirrored the popular Vsauce channel's style, but with a crucial twist, focusing specifically on mathematics. This strategic approach of copying a successful formula while adapting it to a niche became the foundation of his success. Over time, crucial shifts occurred that transformed the channel. He evolved from basic copying to creating truly original content, and these changes ultimately led to the monetary success we see today. The most prominent shift was the channel's focus on a specific niche: educational math visualizations. By creating stunning animations that make complex mathematical concepts accessible and beautiful, the channel differentiated itself and built a dedicated audience. Successful replication requires a specific formula. First, niche selection and differentiation. Pick an underserved area like advanced math topics, but add your own unique spin. Second, the content creation pipeline. High-quality videos with great storytelling, visuals, and SEO-optimized titles are vital. Third, algorithm optimization. Focus on retention with high watch times and compelling thumbnails. The final ingredient is to optimize retention and ensure value. Direct plagiarism poses serious risks. Copying content word for word or stealing visuals without permission can result in YouTube demonetizing your channel or even legal action through copyright infringement lawsuits. Alex Hermosi, creator of the successful math channel, emphasized originality. He taught his audience about intellectual property rights and differentiated his content by creating unique math animations using tools like Manim. Copying a successful YouTube strategy isn't inherently wrong. It's a common practice. However, the nuance is crucial. You must transform the copied idea by adding your unique flair, innovation, and value to avoid being just a cheap imitation. In summary, ethical copying means finding the balance between learning from successful channels and creating something uniquely your own. This approach helps avoid pitfalls while building genuine value for your audience. YouTube strategist Dan Mum emphasizes adding 30 to 50% originality to avoid algorithmic penalties. This means taking a successful formula and making meaningful changes. Content creator guru Gary Vaynerchuk advises stealing ideas but making them your own. It's how innovation happens. This approach transforms borrowed concepts into unique content. The key is to stand out and not be a direct copy. Always improve on the original to create something better and more engaging. The future of successful YouTube channels points to hybridized models combining long-form videos for in-depth content with short-form videos like YouTube Shorts for viral reach. AI-driven content creation is revolutionizing production, with tools generating animations and reducing creation time by up to 40%. However, creators must adapt to evolving platform algorithms that prioritize authenticity and engagement. As online learning continues to grow, with enrollment in higher education reaching 75% during peak pandemic periods, educational channels have strong potential for increased viewership and revenue. Long-term sustainability requires adapting to multiple drivers of change, including regulatory frameworks, technological innovation, and community engagement. Creators must continuously improve and evolve to stay relevant in a changing landscape. To ensure continued success, focus on constant improvement, adding fresh content, and adapting to new trends. This approach will help channels thrive in the evolving YouTube ecosystem.